Hello friends, how are you? In this lecture of aldol condensation, today we will see what is intramolecular aldol condensation and how to identify intramolecular aldol condensation. Can you tell me what is the condition for aldol condensation? Aldehydes and ketones having alpha hydrogen atoms gives aldol condensation. Aldol and a compound having aldehydic as well as alcoholic OH functionality is said to be aldol. Aldol is also known as a beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. Compound with lack of alpha hydrogen atom like benzaldehyde and formaldehyde do not undergo aldol formation because they don't have any alpha hydrogen atoms. So alpha hydrogen is the essential condition for aldol condensation. You are well familiar with this. Now, types of aldol condensation: number 1, simple aldol condensation; number 2, crossed; and number 3, intramolecular aldol condensation. In previous lecture we have seen what is simple aldol condensation and crossed aldol condensation. In today's lecture, we'll see about intramolecular aldol condensation. Remember, in intramolecular aldol condensation, formation of carbanion and attack of carbanion, that is attack of nucleophile within molecule. That reaction is said to be intramolecular aldol condensation. Example of this, I will take diol and a compound having two aldehydic functionalities. Suppose compound is like this. Can you tell me name of this compound? इसका नाम क्या है? Here it is the first carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So this compound is said to be hexane 1,6-diol. What is the position of carbonyl group? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. First and sixth. That is why hexane 1,6-di-Al. So this is a dicarbonyl compound. This compound is also known as a multifunctional organic compound. Multifunctional at two or more than two functionalities. Here two carbonyl groups are there, two aldehyde groups are there. So here a reaction of this compound with strong base like 10%, I will take here 10% sodium hydroxide. What is the product? Definitely product will be aldol. But this is an example of intramolecular aldol condensation. And a formation of carbanion. See here. With respect to this carbonyl group, this carbon is said to be alpha. And with respect to this aldehyde, that is a carbonyl group, this carbon is said to be alpha. On both alpha carbon atoms, there are two alpha hydrogen atoms. Here are two alpha hydrogen atoms. Here are two alpha hydrogen atoms. And a formation of carbanion, either from this alpha carbon or this alpha carbon. Both are same, identical. Isn't it? दोन्ही सारखे आहेत. मग कुठल्या तरी एका कार्बन पासून कार्बेनियन बनेल. Either from this alpha carbon or this alpha carbon. एक तो इस अल्फा कार्बन से कार्बेनियन बनेगा और दिस अल्फा कार्बन से कार्बेनियन and a carbon with negative charge. Negatively charged carbon is said to be carbanion. Isn't it? Condition for alpha hydrogens are required. Here alpha hydrogens are present. Now reaction of this compound, reaction of this aldehyde with what? 10% sodium hydroxide. This is base. This is strong base. What is the role of base? To abstract acidic hydrogen. See here how this reaction takes place. I will write given compound like this. Here how many methylene units? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. it is like this. So reaction of this with base, I will take OH minus only. So abstraction of alpha hydrogen, here it is alpha, I will take this alpha carbon for carbanion formation. So this OH minus this base, this is a base, it is a proton acceptor. So whatever hydrogen atoms are present on alpha carbon, these are acidic, because adjacent to this alpha carbon electronegative carbonyl group is attached electron acceptor. So here it is acidic. So this base will abstract this acidic hydrogen. And the formation of water, this OH minus will combine, this is a partial positive charge. So acidic hydrogen and this OH minus a removal of H2O. Simultaneously breaking up this and formation of carbanion. यहाँ पे कार्बेनियन हो, उसका रेजोनेंस स्टेबलाइजेशन होगा, यानी here formation of carbanion like this. If you want to show lone pair of electrons, you can show. Here it is a carbanion. Now this is electron rich. इसका स्टेबलाइजेशन होगा, यानी शिफ्टिंग ऑफ दीज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हियर, यानी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड, देन ब्रेकिंग ऑफ दिस pi bond and shifting of electrons like this, and a formation of enolate, again reshuffling, again shifting of same electrons here, again breaking of pi bond and again formation of what, here it is a carbanion. So इसका resonance stabilization होगा. If you want to show that is resonating structure of this, you can show it. Okay, I will show here resonating structure of this. So here shifting is like this. After formation of double bond, here this carbon is pentavalent and number of bonds to this carbon will be 5. So breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons towards oxygen, यानी here resonating structure of this CH2, CH2, CH2. Now here CH double bond CO minus. So this ion is said to be enolate ion. इससे क्या होता है, इसका स्टेबलाइजेशन होता है, कार्बेनियन का स्टेबलाइजेशन होता है. वी हैव सीन फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग ऑन स्टेबलाइजेशन ऑफ कार्बेनियन. So here formation of carbanion and stabilization of carbanion. In aldol condensation, formation of new carbon-carbon single bond. Isn't it? Again what happens? Now shifting of electrons here. Again formation of carbanion. Then attack of this carbanion. Here it is hydrogen. Now here it is another carbonyl group, electron deficient, electron acceptor. यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी accumulate हुई. So here formation of carbanion again. So attack of carbanion, attack of this carbanion on this carbon of carbonyl, and a formation of new carbon-carbon single bond here. Now this carbon is a pentavalent. अब ये carbon pentavalent होगा 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So breaking of this pi bond and shifting of electrons like this. So here formation of new carbon-carbon single bond. This is the characteristic feature of aldol condensation. Now here formation of ring compound. Formation of ring compound. How many membered? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here intramolecular attack of nucleophile. This is a nucleophile. This carbanion acts as a nucleophile. So attack of nucleophile here and formation of carbon-carbon single bond here. अभी कार्बन को कितने बॉन्ड्स हुए? 1, 2, 3, 4. ऑलरेडी 4 है. न्यू बॉन्ड 5. सो कार्बन इज पेंटावैलेंट. सो ब्रेकिंग अप pi bond and shifting of electrons towards electronegative oxygen, यानी here formation of intermediate like this. अभी ये ऑक्सीजन नेगेटिव चार्ज एक्वायर करेगा. CH2, CH2. So here it is न्यू कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड. ये कार्बोनिल ग्रुप यानी अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप रिमेन्स एज इट इज. This is intermediate. Now, here release of water molecule. When this base reacts with this aldehyde, it abstract acidic hydrogen. A removal of water, water is released. Same water is used here, H plus and OH minus. So this O minus will take H plus. This O minus will take H plus. And a formation of what? Cyclic aldol. अब ये cyclic aldol बनेगा यानी बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी aldehyde. Here it is OH. C बाकी same CH2, CH2, CH2. Here it is CH. This is the new carbon-carbon single bond. The aldehyde group remains as it is. So with respect to this aldehyde group, this carbon is alpha, this is the beta. So position of this OH, beta, and this is the beta hydroxy aldehyde. Beta hydroxy aldehyde. Yani this is aldol. But this is cyclic aldol. अगर इसका डिकम्पोजिशन मैंने इसे हीट किया, हीटिंग ऑफ दिस, I will heat this. So hydrogen from this alpha carbon and OH from this beta, a removal of H2O. Suppose here it is hydrogen like this. Heat up to 100 degrees Celsius. So breaking of this carbon hydrogen single bond, ये break होगा, यहाँ पे shift होगा ये bond, यहाँ पे कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड बनेगा. This carbon will be pentavalent now. So removal of this OH. So this H and this OH, removal of H2O, and the formation of alpha beta unsaturated. Formation of alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. It is like this. So here it is alpha carbon, this is a beta, yani this is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Formation of alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So this reaction is said to be intramolecular aldol condensation. Iodine, multifunctional compound having two carbonyl groups, both are aldehydic. Here it is alpha carbon with respect to this aldehyde group. Here it is alpha carbon with respect to aldehyde group. On both alpha carbon, acidic hydrogens are there. Here two alpha hydrogens, here two alpha hydrogens. Condition for aldol, alpha hydrogen is required. Reaction with base. So base will take alpha hydrogen either from this alpha carbon or this alpha carbon. Both are identical. Iodine, this alpha carbon. Here it is like this. Whatever hydrogen atoms are present on alpha carbon, these are acidic. So this base will abstract one alpha hydrogen. So breaking of this and formation of carbanium, it is like this. Now resonance stabilization of carbanium, because here lone pair of electron is there and this is in conjugation with multiple carbonyl group. This is in a multiple bond. So इसका delocalization होगा, resonance shifting of these electrons here, यानी यहाँ पे double bond बनेगा. This carbon will be pentavalent, so breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons towards oxygen. This is the resonating structure of this. This is stabilization of carbanium. Now, this resonating structure, this enolate and this carbanium, this is electron rich. So this acts as a nucleophilic and nucleophile. This acts as a nucleophile. ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल का काम करेगा कार्बेनियम, इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच है, इसका अटैक यहाँ पे होगा because here it is electron acceptor. This is intramolecular nucleophilic attack. That is why this reaction is said to be what? Intramolecular aldol condensation. यहाँ पे नया बॉन्ड बनेगा, यहाँ पे फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड, ये अटैक ऑफ न्यूक्लियोफाइल. सो ये this is a new bond. This is intermediate ion because your oxygen is negatively charged. Whatever water is released in this state, same water is used here. Here this O minus will take H plus and OH minus is released. OH minus is given out. So here formation of aldol. This is alpha carbon with respect to this aldehyde. This is alpha, this is the beta. On beta there is a hydroxy group, that is why this compound is also known as a beta hydroxy aldehyde. So this is aldol, इसका decomposition. One hydrogen from this alpha and OH from this beta, removal of H2O and formation of alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So this is an example of what aldol condensation reaction. Another example, suppose multifunctional compound having one aldehydic and one ketonic group, then how to explain intramolecular aldol condensation? अगर सेम कंपाउंड में एक aldehydic ग्रुप है और एक ketonic ग्रुप है, then which carbon will undergo Carbanian formation? This is the question, and that is a very interesting example. Suppose multifunctional compound having aldehydic, this is aldehydic end, CH2, 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 C double bond O, CH3. Reaction of this with base 10% sodium hydroxide. Now, here carbonyl, this is aldehydic end, this is a ketonic end because here carbonyl group is surrounded by 2 carbon atoms, so this is a ketonic end. Can you tell me whether this is aldehyde or ketone? This compound whether aldehyde or ketone? Here priority goes to aldehydic functionality and this compound is aldehyde. This compound is aldehydic. So read the first carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. So what is the position of this carbonyl group? Seventh. So IUPAC name of this compound is, what is IUPAC name? Family of this compound, this is not ketone, this is aldehyde because the priority goes to aldehyde. ये aldehyde है, ketone नहीं है. So 7-oxo, octane, octanol, 7-oxo-octanol is the IUPAC name of this compound because here position of oxo group and a carbonyl group here in IUPAC nomenclature in multifunctional compound, carbonyl group is said to be oxo. So 7-oxo, octanol, 8 carbon atoms are there, octane ending E will be replaced by Al and a octanol, and a 7-oxo-octanol is the name of this compound. So with respect to this aldehyde group, this is alpha carbon. With respect to this carbonyl group, here it is alpha, this is also alpha. 3 alpha carbon atoms are there. Can you tell me which carbon will undergo Carbanian formation more effectively? See here, if we compare reactivity of this aldehyde and ketone, aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. यानी carbonyl group from aldehyde is more electrophilic than what? Carbonyl from ketone. यानी इस carbonyl group पे न्यूक्लियोफाइल का अटैक इफेक्टिवली होगा क्योंकि ये carbonyl group is more electron deficient compared to this one. Because to this carbonyl group only this alkyl group is electron donor, and to this carbonyl group here 2 electron donors are there, and electron density is more around to this carbonyl group. So it is less reactive, and a compulsory Carbanian यहाँ से बनेगा. Carbanian formation either from this alpha carbon or this alpha carbon. Suppose formation of Carbanian from this terminal alpha carbon. Again, this is an example of intramolecular aldol condensation, isn't it? अगर Carbanian या इस कार्बन का बनता है, so formation of Carbanian, attack of Carbanian, ये नया बॉन्ड बनेगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, isn't it? And a formation of 8-member ring. अगर Carbanian यहां से बनता है, so attack of formation of Carbanian, attack here, यानी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. अगर Carbanian इस कार्बन से बनता है, तो formation of 6-membered ring. And we know that 5-membered ring and 6-membered ring are quite stable compared to what? 7-membered, 8-membered, etc. So generally, in case of intramolecular aldol condensation, formation of 5 or a 6 membered aldol or ketol ring, whatever it may be, यानी formation of carbanion takes place from this carbon. अगर इससे बनता है तो formation of 8 membered ring, aldol, ketol, whatever it may be. अगर इस कार्बन से कार्बेनियन बनता है तो formation of 6 membered ring. So this is a favorable carbon for carbanion formation. How this reaction takes place? कंपल्सरी अटैक तो यहां पे होना है, कंपल्सरी कार्बेनियन फॉर्मेशन इस साइड से होना है, बिकॉज दिस इज मोर रिएक्टिव. इस कार्बन पे न्यूक्लियोफाइल का अटैक इफेक्टिवली होगा क्योंकि ऑलरेडी यहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी है कंपेयर टू दिस कार्बोनिल ग्रुप. सो कार्बेनियन फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम दिस, सो आई विल राइट सेम. हाउ मेनी मिथिलीन? 1 2 3 4 और इससे कार्बेनियन 1 2 3 4. It is like this. Carbon. Reaction of this with base compulsory. This base will abstract what? Acidic hydrogen and formation of carbanium. And there is a resonance stabilization of carbanion. If you want to show resonance stabilization, you can show it. CH2. So here, यहाँ पे carbanion pair of electron. If you want to show resonance stabilization, you can show it. I will show here only attack of nucleophile. Attack of nucleophile. See here, this carbon is electron rich. इसका stabilization होगा, isn't it? Then attack of nucleophile. And a formation of new carbon-carbon single bond here. So this carbon is pentavalent, so breaking up pi bond. And a formation of intermediate ion like this. Formation of intermediate ion like this. Remaining methyl groups, same. Here it is CH. And this is new carbon-carbon single bond. This is a new carbon-carbon single bond. This C double bond OCH3 remains as it is. Now, here water is released, water is given out. Same water is used here. So this O minus will take H plus. And a formation of what? यहाँ पे कीटॉल बनेगा. This is alpha. This carbon is said to be alpha. This is beta, and this is the beta hydroxy ketone. Beta hydroxy ketone. Because this is alpha carbon, this is the beta. अगर इसको हीट किया, decomposition of this hydrogen from this alpha carbon and OH from beta, removal of what? H2 and formation of double bond here, and it gives alpha beta unsaturated ketone. This is alpha, this is beta, so this is alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Alpha beta unsaturated ketone. So this is an example of what? Intramolecular aldol condensation. If any doubt about intramolecular aldol condensation, put your doubt in comment box. Definitely I will back to you. Thank you.